Hello everyone, we're here today at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House where we are staying in a deluxe studio with a Savanna view. We're very excited about this because of course we love seeing the animals. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has a decent amount of space, not as much as some of the others.
Yeah, we're up here on a higher floor. We're on the 5th floor. This is where all the DVC rooms are, except for the couple that are up on club level. So what's really nice about the higher floor is you can kind of see further out onto the Savanna, although it is really cool being on the low floor right there next to them. It's a little kind of on eye level with the giraffes and stuff, but it's really great and we can't wait to show you the view.
Here we go.
First, when we come in the room here on the left, we do have a connecting door that goes to the 1 bedroom next door, making a 2-bedroom lock off. So if you book that 2-bedroom, you're probably going to have that lock off option here. And then over on this side, we have a full-length mirror on the wall, some really cool carvings on it. I was looking maybe for some hidden Mickeys in there, but looks like just some suns, no Mickeys. Now over on our left, we have a kitchenette. Every studio has a kitchenette which has a mini fridge. This particular one does have the small little freezer compartment in it. And then we also have a full-size coffee maker and coffee. We've got a sink here, little Simba up there behind the sink, representing here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. And then we have a microwave, and then in the cabinets up above, we also have some paper plates and some plasticware and paper bowls. Behind me is the bathroom area, and this bathroom does not have a door that separates it from the rest of the room. Just a big open doorway here. So something to keep in mind if you're looking for a little more privacy in this area. We've got a double vanity over here with a small shelf up above. Not a ton of counter space in here, but there's enough with that extra little shelf there. You've got a couple lights on either side of the mirror lighting it up, and a really kind of cool looking mirror too. Now the other half of the bathroom here does have a door, of course. You can close the door to the room that has your toilet and your tub, but again, this main bathroom area doesn't have a door. And then our tub here, we do have a tub and shower. We've got that shower head up there, no detachable shower head in these rooms. We've got the really cool African art on the tile and the shower curtain. And then we do have the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Heading into the main part of the room, over on the one side we have our dresser and wardrobe, and we have a little bench there that has a drawer down inside it as well. Inside this wardrobe you have some hanging space for your clothes. On one side you have some extra pillows and blankets. You've also got a safe built in up there, and an iron and an ironing board, and your hairdryer is also in here. And then to the right of that we have our dresser and our TV. The dresser has a couple of those USB outlets built in there, as well as the wall outlets. And we've got several drawers and a couple cabinets there, so you have some space for unpacking. And of course, the large flat screen TV on the wall. For bedding in here, we do have a queen size bed. Now this bed is not one of those raised beds where you can put suitcases underneath, so something to keep in mind. But we have the queen bed here, and we have a queen size pull-out sofa over there, and we'll pull that out here for you in just a minute. And the headboard on this bed is really cool looking. I love the tapestry there too. Really well themed with all the furniture in here. Now our nightstand in between the beds does have additional USB outlets on there and wall outlets, so you've got quite a few places in here you can plug up your devices. Across from the couch we have a small table and a couple chairs. And you also have a mirror hanging there with these cool crocodile lamps built into them. Pretty fun. And then on the little table here beside the couch, a lamp that I have affectionately dubbed the Kermit the Frog lamp, because I think it looks like it came from Kermit the Frog. Don't think about it too much. We'll say inspired by Kermit the Frog. Now we do have a Savanna view, as we mentioned, so we have a balcony out here over the Savanna, which has a couple chairs and a small table as well. And the chairs have these zebras built into the back of them. Really cute. And the Savanna view we're here on Kudu Trail. So we're overlooking this beautiful Savanna. We got some birds down over there on the right. We don't see any animals over here yet. We typically see them over here a little later in the day, towards sunset it seems like. We did see a few zebra run across in the far distance there a minute ago. It looks like they've moved on, so I don't see them. But it's a great view up here, absolutely beautiful on the 5th floor. And heading back into the room here, you can see Alyssa pulled out that sleeper sofa, and you can see the queen size bed pulled out there, and it does have a decent mattress on it. It's one of those memory foam mattresses, but not the thickest one we've seen on the pull-out beds. So something to keep in mind if you're going to have someone sleeping on that bed. It's just a little bit thin for the mattress. And that's going to conclude our tour of this deluxe studio with a Savanna view here at Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give us a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have about this room. Of course, subscribe to our channel so you know when we have even more room tours and other videos here.
And if you'd like more information on this resort or the other resorts at Walt Disney World, you can head to our website, herewiththeears.com. There's a link to that in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.